Hi, I'm Ollie, and in this video I'm going to show you the process of how I'm making these 12 ply boxes for a customer order. Here's some plywood, there's the machines, there's another machine. I'm going to go ahead, take this outside and start ripping it into strips ready to make the boxes. So I'm going to lay my sheet of plywood onto my makeshift pallet bench, and that will allow me to mark out my measurements using my prototype box, and then go ahead and transfer all the measurements onto the plywood. I can then use a straight edge to mark where I want to cut, then grab my Festool rail and rip these into strips. After I've got all my pieces of timber ready, I can now move to the chop saw, mark out my relevant measurements and start to make cuts. So I'm just doing a test cut here, then I'm going to go and set up a plywood jig or stop to make sure that I can repeat my cuts over and over again and save time. Whilst I was busy outside making the cuts on the chop saw, I programmed the CNC to cut the end panels. You can see the little hand-hold details already cut. So it's got 4 to go, and all the other stuff I've collected already, and that's out and ready for sanding. I've finished cutting a stack of sides. Collected these from the CNC machine, it's cut out loads, so now we're ready to assemble the boxes. Oh no, we've got to sand them first. Right, so got all my bits, now I'm ready to start sanding. I've only got 60 pieces to sand, so stay with me. Only joking, I'll fast forward. Here you see I'm spreading out some glue. I'm going to dip each end of the sides in glue. That's the easiest way to apply it. And then line them up and fire some small brad nails in. Flip it round, same again, and repeat the process again until we've got a box shape. Here I've cut all the bases, so now I'm ready to glue and nail the bases to the boxes. Then we'll give them all a little filler on the nail holes, slight sanding, and then they're done. So I'm going to go and grab one of the boxes and run a bead of glue around all of the edges that are going to touch the base. And then grab one of my pre-cut bases. That'll slide nicely into place, make sure it's all square, and then fire a few brad nails in to secure it. So once I've nailed in about 1 million of those nails, then I go ahead and give it a quick rub over and knock any loose or high nails in. and then it's off to the filler stage. Here I'm using a Ronseal 2-part wood filler, so you usually need about a golf ball of filler to a pea-sized blob of hardener. And you mix them together into a creamy consistency and you're ready to fill. I've got about 1 million boxes fillered on all the edges. Now I can pop them over to the sander. So we've got some super quick sanding going on. Don't worry, I've sped the footage up, I'm not that quick. Here we go, I'm on the home straight with 2 boxes to go. Thanks very much for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like and subscribe, and I'll be posting more videos like this from the workshop.